Welcome to the high school semester program at Kingsway Academy Boarding High School, an extraordinary opportunity for students in grades 10, 11, and 12 to immerse themselves in one of Canada's top academic environments. This program offers a unique chance to experience university life firsthand while gaining valuable academic credits and preparing for future educational goals. Located within Western University in London, Ontario, the program takes place on one of the most beautiful and expansive campuses in Canada, just 2.5 hours from Toronto and near the U.S. border with cities like Detroit and Niagara Falls close by. Students will find themselves in the perfect location to enjoy not only the best of Canadian education, but also access to world-famous tourist attractions. Western University's 1,300 acres campus is a thriving academic community, blending modern and historic architecture with over 44,000 students, faculty, and staff. The campus offers everything needed to create a true university experience. It's more than just a place to study. It's a complete environment with eateries, coffee shops, medical facilities, and even grocery stores, all within campus grounds. The academic aspect of the program is tailored to the needs of international students. Participants will complete 4 high school credits, carefully selected to align with the educational standards of their home country. In addition, students will receive vocational guidance, helping them make informed decisions about future university paths. Tutoring support is provided in various subjects, ensuring every student has the resources needed to succeed. Teaching staff are native speakers with extensive experience in working with international students, ensuring a smooth transition and comprehensive support throughout the semester. But academics are only part of the experience. The program encourages personal development and community involvement through a wide variety of extracurricular activities. Students can join clubs that cater to a range of interests: robotics, AI, math, media, music, movies, sports, dance, drama, soccer, and more. These clubs offer a chance to explore new fields, make new friends, and engage in enriching activities outside of the classroom. For those with a passion for sports, the program includes full access to Western University's state-of-the-art gym facilities. From an Olympic-sized pool to tennis courts, a cycling studio, and 5 floors of sports equipment, students will have everything they need to stay active and healthy during their time here. There's also the opportunity to join the soccer club or take part in seasonal sports, as well as attend major university league games. The cultural and recreational side of the program takes students beyond the campus. Organized field trips once per month are included in the program, with destinations including Niagara Falls, Toronto, and the Stratford Film Festival. Seasonal activities such as skiing, visiting Christmas markets, and attending cultural festivals allow students to experience the richness of Canadian life while building lifelong memories. Accommodation is provided at Kingsway Academy within the student residences of Western University, featuring shared rooms and bathrooms. These residences are separated by gender, and 24/7 concierge services ensure a safe and secure environment. Students will experience true North American university living, all while sharing the space exclusively with other high school participants. Security and cleanliness are top priorities, with the university overseeing both. Dining is also well taken care of, with a comprehensive meal plan that includes access to 7 dining halls and cafeterias spread across campus. This ensures that every student's dietary needs are met, with a variety of options available throughout the day. Our dedicated staff ensures a seamless experience for international students. Student counselors are available in multiple languages, offering support in adjusting to life in Canada and throughout their stay. Parents can also rest easy, as our team maintains ongoing communication with them in their native language, ensuring that everyone stays informed and supported. The program includes high school credits, accommodation, meal plan, custodianship, insurance, and all the essential needs for teenagers, making this a comprehensive and affordable opportunity for students seeking a world-class educational experience. Join us for an unforgettable high school semester at Kingsway Academy, where academic excellence meets personal growth and cultural exploration. This is more than just an academic program. It's the beginning of an exciting journey that will open doors to future opportunities.